Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract video and audio from the Camtasia track recording file with FFmpeg without losing quality. Uh, why would you like to do that? Well, there are several reasons why we might need to extract full video, extract only audio, or only video from the Camtasia.trec recording file. Some reasons are you maybe want to edit either the audio only or the video only with third-party application from the best source format available. Another reason is you want to preview raw recorded video before doing some editing without using Camtasia Editor. So it's just a playable video without a full rendering from the Camtasia Studio. When you use the FFmpeg to extract the track file, we need to be very careful. Make sure to use correct container while still maintaining the quality. And now let's do it in action. I have a track video from the old recording as a sample. You can use your own. First, we're gonna extract the recording file into full video with the audio. So let's start with this FFmpeg. For input is the capture thing. Then we pass the C copy. So this is basically tell the FFmpeg to extract the capture with full audio and video codec as is without additional processing. Now it's enter. Now, it's blazingly fast. So here we have the FAI. And this is the extracted video, full with the audio. And you see the file size is quite small, almost as close as the original source. Now let's investigate the video stream. Sorry. As expected, the video stream is using TSCC2 codec, which is the codec used by the Camtasia, and the audio is interestingly in AAC format. Okay, now let's extract the video only from the recording into the highest quality possible. FFmpeg, capture.trec, and we're gonna exclude the audio, and we're going to extract with vcodec copy, and then video only FAI. So this is only the video without the audio, and the file size is smaller. Now let's extract the audio from the recording with the highest quality possible. Clear FFmpeg I capture, and in this case we're gonna exclude the video, so we use the VN, and then a codec or audio codec is copy, use as is, and we audio only dot AAC, because as you see previously when we use this FFprobe, the audio container is in the AAC format. Let's just enter and see. Now this is the audio file only. Notice, however, the downside of using this method is you cannot extract all additional data like audio, video, or other editing element that you added to the Camtasia Studio. So if you want to get a full render with additional data, you must go render it with the Camtasia Studio instead.